Today we're at South Downs on a geography trip, hiking through the hills and seeing the natural landscape.
Ah, it's a cow!
We are learning about the contour lines on an OS map.
It's really interesting to see the bits where it's been eroded, the bits where there's been paint movement.
I've got 4 merits today for answering a few questions. The myth around the Devil's Dyke is if you walk around the Devil's Dyke 13 times, you have bad luck brought to you. So that's a bit scary. The best part of the day has been walking up the steep hills.
A lot of us exchanged really positive comments, egging each other on, saying, "Come on, you can do it, you can do it."